Want to use AI to assist development partner, but there is no integrated page window? Want to have an IDE interface that integrates multiple language models at the same time, or don't know where the code has been changed by AI? These problems usually trouble those who are learning to edit programs. According to surveys, more than 70% of programmers use generative AI to assist us in writing programs. In addition, switching between the web page and the user's IDE to use AI or language model service is time-consuming and inefficient. Therefore, what should we do when encountering the above difficulties? We can use CodeBRT to help us solve the above problems. CodeBRT can use multiple language models such as OpenAI, Gemini, and other mainstream language model APIs to respond questions by users. In addition, voice service and image analysis functions are also provided for users to use. Moreover, CodeBRT has an automatic code completion function that can predict the code that may be entered next and automatically help users complete. CodeBRT also provides a code correction and comparison function. Based on the user request in the chat room and the current file content, it automatically fills the code into the appropriate position. Next, we enter the actual interface. In the general setting, we can set the API key of the language model in the theme. And also, you can choose the language model which you want to use. We can also upload image files locally for image analysis. On the chat page, you can modify the chat record and the system will regenerate response after input. In addition, in the history record, you can view all past chat records and filter them with custom labels. Then there is the voice input function. Could you please tell me how to speed up matrix multiplication in mathematics?
Speeding up matrix multiplication can be crucial for various applications in computer science, engineering, and
Next, CodeBRT has a function of automatically generating programs. When entering a program, the system will generate the code that may need the needs, speeding up the process of writing programs. In summary, CodeBRT will help us who are troubled by programs and illuminate the road ahead. CodeBRT makes your code brilliant.